And already I'm displayed one activity, which is painting here. So what is really fun about that is that it's very intuitive. So you can already see a different colors. You can choose here. When the kid will press the screen, it will draw automatically. Hello world, this is Ben here talking from D2Soft Technologies. Today I want to introduce to you and give you a sneak peek into a new project called Nimbb. It's a service where we'll offer educational apps to be used by kids starting age 3 and up. And the point is to give additional exercise for your child. And I'll give you a quick example of what I'm talking about here. If you go on the Nimbb website, so you can already visit us. The site is already up. If you want to have a look, the site is far from complete, but already you can have at least some exercise to play with, see how you like it. And on the main page here, you can already try it. Everything is in the browser, so if you're using a PC, Mac, you're using a mobile device, it will work. It also works with the mouse or touch screen, and exercise will be separated by different ages as well as different languages. Already we have two options here. You can see on the website level 1 English or level 1 French, and these are really just a few exercises. Nothing is really up and running yet, so but it's really, if you want to give it a try, see, maybe even give us some feedback about it, it's possible. You can already try it. So there's different categories in each of the applications. So for example, let's go here. You'll see depending on what the exercise are about. So for example, here we have reading letters A to C, so the kid can start knowing the first letters of the alphabet. And but there's other exercise as well. For example, puzzles, putting images together, or even like painting. So let's just go randomly. So if you play all, you'll see the widget opening here, so the actual screen for the activities. Just press start, and already I'm displayed one activity, which is painting here. So what is really fun about that is that it's very intuitive. So you can already see a different colors. You can choose here. When the kid will press the screen, it will draw automatically, and there's some options where you can different size of the drawing. So you can have large, small. You can put some other colors here, as well as see an example of what the child can draw. If you want to have some guidelines of how you could draw this frog, it's possible. So different things. If we move on to the next activity by pressing the arrow, some activities will have music, some don't. Most of them have sound effect as well. So the point is here to just do the puzzle here, and you'll find something very interesting is that when it's for very young kids. So after a couple of attempts, if they don't get the piece in the right place, it will go automatically. So if I'm just pressing a few times there, just complete by itself. Here's another drawing activity.
Click on all falling letters.
Is a different one where the kid must select all the letters falling from the sky here. And notice that all those animations here, as well as the question mark here,
click on all falling letters.
It's always possible to press to have more instructions. If the kid missed the instruction, it's possible to listen again. And also, what was really interesting about those activities that everything is done so that there's no actual reading for very young age. Everything is by audio, the voices. So you as a parent, you don't need to be with your child while using the activity. For example, most of the books you buy, the parent must still be with the kid to do them. to read the instructions, whereas here you just leave the kid with the app. All apps are kids friendly. There's no advertisements, so it's really a nice way of getting the kid involved and while playing as well and learning at the same time.
Let's start.
So if I press a letter here, it repeats as well.
B.
If I make a mistake, I press the wrong one, simply there's the noise saying, well, you didn't press the right one, so. And I forgot this one, let's say. There's a score at the end. Alright, so I got 3 stars out of 5. And every activity keeps on loading like this, and with different backgrounds, different purpose as well. This one we have to find the right letter.
Find the letter B.
So you find the letter B if I don't take the right one. Alright, got the right one there.
Click on all falling letters.
So this is really a quick sneak peek of what it's about. And this is a website again, nimbb.com, nimbb.com. You can already try it. There will be a subscription eventually. So you just sign up. You can get your kid to play the app as many times as necessary. And for now, it's still in very early version. Not possible to subscribe just yet, but this will come. And but in the meantime, if you want to try it, go ahead. Hope you guys enjoy. It's gonna be a good tool for parents doing homeschooling with their child at home, or even for kids that go to school that want to have extra exercise to practice maybe what they learn in class. This is really a great tool to get started. So hope you enjoyed. Again, nimbb.com. Just to let you know, if you're a parent with some technological background, this technology is built over another technology called D2Soft Technology engine. And the D2Soft engine is really what drives this application. All the games were developed using a scripting language that is based on the BASIC language. So if you know a little bit about programming, you know about the early languages, and very easy language to use back then was called BASIC. It was one of the most popular language in the world. It's based on that. So if you're interested learning more about this one, you can go on the website D2Soft.com. It's also work in progress, but you can already have a lot of information on the website. You can look at the other videos we have on our channel about it. If you're a developer, you might be interested in looking at that. We'll have a lot of feature coming up, very exciting stuff coming up. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this, subscribe to our channel because we'll add more developer feedback like this one. And I'll see you in another video. Thanks.